Oh my.
We don't need no flashlight.
Oh wait, he needs to walk. Ow!
Bro, just run. It's a straight line.
I'm trying to numb nuts.
I do. If there's anyone with numb nuts, it's you, Luca.
I see the mimic. It's too dark. It's too dark.
No, it's not. Be good.
How are we gonna kill the mimic?
We have guns. We have shotguns. We have crowbars. We have Luca's iPad. We're good. Now we stay here. Let me put away my stuff. Wait, let me get my gun out. So we put all the useless stuff. Why is he walking like that? Don't waste your bullets. No.
The name. We even have the boxes.
Do that. That. We be collecting gold bars.
I'm collecting almost every big thing. I got a melee weapon now.
Okay, yeah, there's nothing down here. Worth. There is... I don't think that there's anyone to our right. Wait, no, let me shoot him, He was not on my... yeah, now he is. I'm trying to see in that little room if there's anyone. Is that an egg? No, it's just a duck. Hey, look, go get that duck real fast. There's no one near it. Trust me. Put it in your backpack.
The mimic is literally right there.
I know, we gonna shoot it. Where'd he go? He's like...
Big bomb! Big bomb! Big bomb!
He's not even on my map. Wait. Yeah, he is.
Wait, you gotta make him explode fast.
Okay, go get that. There's no one near us.
We got the water white bomb. We got a grenade.
It's only the mimic. If we kill this mimic, we're good. But where is he?
I don't know, let's just walk the other direction.
No, wait. He should be right in front of us. He's to our left whenever we go in here. Wait, no, he's right dead ahead. Well, that's a landmine. Be looking out. Look at you. Be looking. I'm looking at the. I almost.
You already stepped on the landmine.
Shoot him! I'm out of ammo.
This gun has no ammo in it.
Are you dead? No.
Dude. That thing my ammo in it. Why wasn't it firing?
Oh dang! I could see stuff now. Let's just head down here. Just collect all the bananas in here. Oh crap.
Well, my backpack's full of really big stuff. Yeah, I can't pick up anything else.
Okay, get to the... Should we kill the chicken?
No. I'm almost dead.
Uh-oh.
Wait, where is all my stuff? What did all my stuff go? Oh, that's right. Selling Mr. Rubberducky.
Throw that in there for me, please.
It's gonna be a lot of moolah. Not as much as I thought it was gonna be.
That's good money. That's almost at 500.